everyone, in today's video we will be looking at place value and expanded form. Let's read this number: 2,712,783, and we're going to be writing this number in expanded form. So let's begin. 2 million. So this is 2 times a million. A million is written as a 1 with 6 zeros. So a million, a 1 with 6 zeros, that means a million is 1,000 thousand. So 2 million expanded to 2 times 1 million. Now we go to the thousand, so we have 700,000 plus 7 times 100,000 plus we have 110,000, so it is 1 times 10,000. Let's forget about the comma for now. Plus 2,000. 2 times 1,000. 700. 7 times 100. 8 tens. 8 times 10, and 3 ones. 3 times 1. Okay, so let's review and make sure we have everything written down correctly. 2 million, 2 times 1 million. A million is 100, is 1,000 thousand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 700,000, 7 times 100,000. 12,000, that means 110,000. 1 times 10,000. 2,000, 2 times 1,000. 700, 7 times 100, and 8 tens, 8 times 10, and 3 ones, 3 times 1. Okay, so 2,712,783 is a big number, it's a large number, but it's a perfect example to use to explain expanded form, because from this number we can expand any number that is lower than a million. So let's say we want to expand 783. 7 times 100 plus 8 times 10 plus 3 times 1. So if we want to expand 783, this is all we would have written down. Let's say we want to expand 12,783. So it's 1 10,000, so it's 1 times 10,000 plus 2 times 1,000 plus 700 plus 8 times 10 plus 3 times 1. Now here we have the expanded form, and we want to write the normal number for this expanded form. So let's set up our place value. We have 1,000, so let's do 1,000, 100, tens, ones. 7 times 1,000, so we know we have 7,000. 3 times 100, we know we have 300. 8 times 10, we know we have 8 tens. And 9 times 1, we know we have 9 ones. Therefore, written as a normal number, 7,389. And there you have it, expanded form and normal number. And I hope you find this very helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.